I usually like that term, you're bringing the heat, until you're talking about the actual temperature outside. And so the great news is that we had no air conditioning units down. Now, I want to be clear that we do have air conditioning units go down. We have 800 air conditioning units throughout this district. Just like in a neighborhood, they will go out. But the point I want to make is you will hear from staff, and the board will often talk about preventative maintenance, right? And routine maintenance. When we're talking about the budget, we'll hear David Vong and Dirk talk about that. And quite often we just don't have an example of, like, what does routine maintenance mean? What does that mean to me and for us? This is exactly a connection to routine maintenance. So over the summer, our maintenance department, specifically Rudy Vergara, and that's Rudy in the middle with the balloons, because we often also talk about the district or the maintenance department, or, our people have faces and names, right? Behind all this work is actual people. And I wanted to take the opportunity to say thank you to Rudy, and recognize that Rudy leads this work in the summer, and he personally, now when we get in a crunch, has a team that you can see behind me that helps him out. But they touch every air conditioning unit in this district. And we also don't just do that in the summer, but we do that on a 3 to 4 month process. So, filters get cleaned, coils get cleaned, anything that needs oil lubed, all of those things. It's pretty impressive. So I just really look for those examples that we can kind of connect the verbiage we use with the actual work. And for this, it equated to teaching and learning, getting to continue on one of the hottest 2 weeks that we've had in Southern California in a long time, with uninterrupted learning.
I'd also like to talk a little bit about how every person here in the Arcadia Unified School District is very valued and appreciated, and very needed to run this district as an entirety, whether it be a principal or a teacher, a social worker, or a facility worker. Really, every single person has a big say and role in this district. So a guide is a guide. At the end of the day, a leader is a leader. And so I'd like to thank someone that we've mentioned at the beginning of the meeting, Mr. Rudy, sir, for what him and his team are doing for this district regarding the air conditioning. And thank you for making the heat not be a distraction for our academic welfare and our academic journey. So really, thank you so much. You are so appreciated and valued. And we students, teachers, we're so grateful to be in classrooms that really support us fully in a full circle. So thank you all so much.